We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy...
Hello, my crafty friends, and happy holidays. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. For today's project, I made these adorable, super easy holly boxes, and best of all, they're free. I found a free file on dreamingtree.com, and I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. As I said, they were super easy to make, and I've created 3 examples for you here, and we'll also make a box together in this video. In this first example, I've used this really pretty paper that has holly berries on it. It says Merry Christmas. On the top, it has the dimensional holly. It has the little berries, and I use glitter paint to make the little berries pop. It has a snowflake. I included this adorable little candy cane, and then I finished it off with this sheer red candy stripe ribbon. The second example that I did is in this soft pink paper. It has a white embossed snowflake, and then I used pink glitter paper to make the holly leaves. And for the berries, I used white pearls, and then I finished it off with this soft pink ribbon. This last example here has this very pretty paper. Again, it has an embossed snowflake on the top. This has a dark green holly leaf, and then I included a pretty red poinsettia flower on the top. Now, let me show you what I have inside the boxes. Each of these are already filled with candy, and this box simply opens up just like so. And I've got 3 pieces of candy inside. I did include red crinkly paper. But this is such a nice presentation to give to the mailman with a little tip, to give to the crossing guard. This is really a perfect, quick and easy gift to give to anyone that you just want to say thank you. So let me grab my material so that we can make one of these boxes together. In the cutting file, you'll get the box, you get a snowflake, the holly, and you also get berries. However, I did not cut them out in this example because we're going to be using pearls instead. And then I have a piece of ribbon. To make the box, you simply want to fold on all of the score lines. This comes together so easily. And these little tabs here you want to fold out instead of in, because this is a part that actually locks the box. I folded all the score lines. Now what you want to do is take these little tabs that you see on the side of the box, and you want to glue them in just like so. Okay, let me grab my glue. For this project, I'm using my art glitter glue. I'm going to put some glue on this first tab here. And then glue these 2 pieces together, making sure that you do not go over the score line. But there's a nice sharp edge right there on the box. And you want to hold this for a few seconds so that you can get a nice strong adhesion. Then you want to take your bone folder, flip the box over, and just make sure that there's a tight hold. Then you want to move on to the next tab, and you want to continue this all around the box. There are 4 tabs in total. So with this example, I'm not using a double-sided paper. However, it is great if you can, and I think that adds a nice dimension to it. because you have two different colors, one on the outside and then one on the inside. I'm going to glue our third tab down. Make sure the edges are nice and flushed. Take your bone folder and flatten the tab. And then you want to glue this last tab. There we go. And you want to make sure you put your index finger in as far as you can, because that'll help give the box a little structure as you are gluing the tabs in. And this is the basic construction of the box. You see, we did that in less than a minute. Now what we're going to do is take these two pieces, and again, you want to make sure that these tabs are folded outwards. We're going to take the two tabs and fold it through these slots. And there's our box. All we have to do is decorate. And so we will put the snowflake on top, just like so. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of glue, just so that it holds in place. And then feed it back over the handles. You want to try to make sure that you don't get any glue on the actual handles, because you don't want to seal the box. So we have our snowflake down. And then we have our holly. Now, it's going to be difficult for you to see on glitter paper, but there are perforation lines in the middle and on the side of the holly, because it's designed to be lifted and curved just like that. So I'm going to go through and fold on these score lines. And that's the way your piece should look. I'm going to put some glue on either side of this little slit. You want to make sure you don't put the glue too close to that slit. You're going to feed this over the handles. And you want to center the holly over the snowflake, just like so. Give that a little time to adhere. Then I'm going to take this ribbon and just slide it through. And the ribbon is optional. I just think that it adds a nice little touch to it, because the box will stay closed by itself. Just tie a little knot. I'm going to tie a double knot. Trim off the edges a little bit. And then for the berries, I'm going to take some white pearls, like I've done for this example. And I'm just going to put some medium size pearls So let's glue these down and then we'll work on the other side. I'm going to hot glue these just to make sure that they don't come off. And I'm going to put it right in front of where the little slit is. Not too close to it though. Just a little dab of hot glue. Put this right next to it right here. And then one more on this side. It looks very pretty. Okay, let's do the other side. But you see how easy this is to make. You can make these last minute And if you needed to do these as favors for a little party, you could knock out several of them, I bet, in no time. Okay. I've got 2 more to put down. Oh, and that's our final berry. And this is our box. It's absolutely adorable. And if you want to give this as a little gift, you can make coordinating 3x3 note cards. That would be a nice option. But here are the other ones again. Here's a black one. All of them are very different. They're simple, they're elegant, and very fun to make. This concludes my review of my holly treat boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun, creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please be sure to join us for tomorrow, day 7 of our 12 Days of Christmas Craft series. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish